Welcome to 85 South Flower Street in Lakewood, Colorado. Buyer specialist at your disposal. Two-car garage. Super nice. Almost mid-century modern vibes. Next door neighbors getting a facelift. Really private street as you roll on in. Built-ins. I'm just going to go straight back because talk about an absolutely amazing walled-in patio. I literally thought that the house was open when I came in. But yeah, ample backyard, wonderful for a dog. Actually, you got a dog door right here, AC, access to the garage, so you don't have to go through the house. Superb opportunity, access to 6 and I-70, so really easy just to get in and out. We're gonna check the downstairs out real quick. Boom. Here's like the second living room vibes, 1950 style vibes. And downstairs, desk area, another TV room. Here's your washer and dryer space. And here's a 3/4 bath. Little like hobbit door. I'm 6 foot, so it's definitely kind of like a play area, but super cool. Obviously storage for days. Bonus space with 6 foot ceilings, not included in the square footage, which is pretty awesome. You got probably another 400 square feet. As we head upstairs, we're gonna loop around and then hit up the kitchen. Freshly done floors. Here's our main floor living room on this split level. And yeah, the dog can go into the garage, in this beautiful 2-car garage. Nice dining area, living area. Here's the kitchen, a new LG fridge, an LG gas fireplace, a little eating nook. Superb. Oh yeah, the sun porch. I mean, you can't beat the sun porch. There's the double vanity, full bath and shower. So wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 5-piece. Holy shit! It's a 5-piece bath. Oh, pardon me. Here's the, I'm assuming, primary. Next door neighbor has a double lot. I heard that's supposed to go on market soon too, from words of the neighbors. 1950s. It's really nice. We're going to end this at in the sunroom. I mean, yes, please. Sunroom vibes, morning coffee, enjoy the moment. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Woo! Here it is. Beautiful. 85 South Flower. Absolutely beautiful. All right, even set up for 220. So bring your electric car. Or, wait. Okay, so yeah, there used to be washer and dryer in this said area. So very interesting. All right, I'm going to let you all go. Have a beautiful and amazing evening. And may 2025 bring all of the abundance that you need in this world. Over and out, party people.